Welcome to Not the Godfather's Kitchen. And being semi-retired now, I often like to do a bit of cooking for myself. And today I'm going to be cooking sausages in tomato sauce. Now, as you can see, I've already put the sausages, beef sausages, in the pan. And then I will add the tomato sauce. Now, isn't it funny how tomato sauce makes you think of blood? Not that I've seen a lot of it, but occasionally. And those things you leave in the past. But we've added the tomato sauce, and with it we add a bit of virgin olive oil. Virgin is good. And then we add some sugar. And then we put oregano. Just gives it a good bit of flavouring. And we then turn up the stove. We'll wait for it to boil, and then we just bring it down to simmer and allow it to simmer for some 20 or 25 minutes, and then it should be done. Now, it would be worthwhile to cover the fry pan, but in this case, I don't have one. So we'll just have to make do. And then 20 to 25 minutes, it will be ready to serve. And you can serve the dish with mashed potatoes and peas, or a fresh salad. Or you could serve it with a top spin to your opponent's forearm. Well, what could be better than that? And so, the sausages are going to cook in the sauce. And once they're done, and bon appetito. Until next time, from Not the Godfather's Kitchen. Ciao.